Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola. So I'm going to be showing you how to whiten eyes in just 4 minutes. In fact, I'm going to be giving myself 3 minutes. It's very easy as ABC. Nothing hard. Very easy. This picture has been retouched by me, color graded and everything cool. The picture is actually okay. So all I want to do is just whiten the eyes. Very easy. So guys, you click on your present layer, then Command J to duplicate layer. On Windows is Control J. So on the duplicated layer, you can go to filter and camera raw filter. That's where I'm going to whiten my model's eye. So quick zoom in, you can zoom in with your command plus to zoom in, then command minus to zoom out. On Windows is control plus, control minus. So I'm zoomed in, then I'll go to my brush tool right there. That's my brush tool. So you can just copy my settings if you want to, or you can do it your own way. So I'm going to take my temperature to around 50. 55 is cool. Then my tint to around 50. That's perfect for me. And I'm going to go to my whites. I'm going to put at 15. I'm perfect with 15. Then I'm going to go to saturation. Sorry about that. Saturation on probably 80 or 90 is cool. I'm going to go with 90. Then with that, I'm going to command plus or control plus to zoom in. Then brush. If you want to increase your brush, you can use the bracket to increase your brush. You can increase it widely or shortly. So just increase it to the perfect stage you want it to be. So I'm just going to whiten it. Remember only to brush the white parts of the eye. Just the white part of the eye. That's just it. Look at this. This is perfect. It's nice. Then I'm going to just zoom out. Remember command minus to zoom out. So I'll click on OK. You might be wondering that that's way too much. You don't like it. If yours is too much or it's too white, you don't want it to look very fake. So you can come to your opacity here, then reduce it to the perfect place you want it to be. At this point, I guess I'm going to leave it at 70. This look very nice for me. That look very nice for me. So this is the before and after. So guys, that's all. If you find this YouTube tutorial very useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share to your people, to other photographers who might need this. That's very easy. So any part of Photoshop you want me to teach, just tell me. I'll be right there for you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share. Bye. See you in my next video.